Everyone, this is Sandy at the Heart, and before I get into my Tuesday morning haul, I wanted to talk about this die right here that I was trying to figure out what it is. So I went onto the Little Inkers blog and had to search a lot because I think it was in the 2015. This was actually designed to be like a canvas that you would put on an easel. So you would decorate this like a work of art, and then you'd put it on an easel that they would sell. Or, you could buy any easel at like Michael's or whatever. But anyway, that's what that was for. But I mean, you can use it for whatever you want. But anyway, mystery solved of what it was intended for. Now, Tuesday morning. This is like 2 Tuesday mornings that I went to. I haven't been to Tuesday morning forever. And I probably should have gone on Tuesday when we get our shipments because everything is pretty much sold out. So I couldn't find hardly any of the Maggie Home stuff that everyone was finding because I kept trying to talk myself out of going. And so by the time I went, stuff was sold out. And then my daughter got the flu. So I've been dealing with that. So by the time I got a chance to go, a lot of things were sold out. But let me show you what I did get. I got this Authentique Quest, and it was $5.99. It's 2081802. And so this is like a travel one. It's pretty cool. I do prefer the ones that, unless it's one that I'm really loving, that has the sticker sheet. I really like that. So anyway, that one's really cute. $5.99. And I apologize for any rustling because there's going to be a little bit of rustling. I did get this Wild Child. I have the 6x6 paper somewhere of this. I bought it on Peachy Cheap. This is $1.99. It's really cute. It's kind of retro, I guess. Kind of like very 80s, in my opinion. I did also get this, the Creative Diary from Diillusions, which is quite pricey normally. But I'm just trying to be a little bit more creative with stuff. So anyway, this was $6.99, normally $17.99. The number for this is 2079147, if that's something you might be interested in looking for. I did see it in a couple places. I did get these butterflies from American Crafts. I thought they were just gorgeous. You get 4 of them. $1.49, which I thought was a good price. It's 2079182. I did find this paper pack. I think I have the 12 by 12 little kit. 2067628. It's $2.99. I really love that gingham. That's cute. I did buy this Sizzix Tim Holtz die with the texture fades. That's the one where it has the dies. I think it's the die plus it has the embossing folder that gives you that texture. So I do really like that. I have the poinsettia like that I love. It's 2070561, $9.99, normally $24.99. And I think those are it's a really good deal because you do get that embossing folder, which does really give a different look to your die. Now, I destashed a lot of these, but I don't have a lot of boy stuff. So that was the only reason why I got this one, because eventually I'm going to have to do some stuff for my son, some boy stuff. But this is $3.99, 2078651. It's $3.99. Project Life. I got these cards. I don't know, the nautical reminds me of summer. $1.99, 2079555. So I'm happy to get those. I did buy this die by Spellbinders. It's $3.49. You get a bunch of dies that make this deer head or whatever it is. $3.49, 2081965. I did get that one. They had other ones there, but I don't know. I just wanted to buy the ones that I thought that I could use. Okay, let me pull the rest of the stuff out of this bag so the stuff are crinkling. All right, so I did get some wood stamps. I don't buy that many wood stamps anymore, but I did really like these ones. So this one right here is like a planner one. Very cute, but there's other things that you could use, you know, elsewhere. $2.99, 2077465. This is a Momenta. And then this one I liked because I don't have anything that says Mahalo or Aloha, so I liked that. 2077466, $2.99. I do try sometimes to do Hawaiian style cards and things, like especially for my my dad, because his mom was from Hawaii. So I did buy this one because sometimes I just want to quickly grab a happy birthday and stamp it on the inside of a card. So it's just easier than finding one, putting it on a, you know, finding one of my clear ones and putting it on a block, and it's just so much easier. So I thought this would be really a good way of doing the insides of my cards when I'm in a hurry. Because a lot of times I don't do the inside, a lot of times I do the front, and it's not necessarily says happy birthday on the outside. Anyway, this is 2045108. This one was $4.99. I don't know why this one was more, maybe because it's happy birthday, but this one I really liked. Okay, and then I got this one. This is a 3/16. Sometimes I just need a little tiny one, especially like for eyes. I think this would be really great for eyes on creatures and things like that than trying to cut them on my Cricut. Anyway, this was $2.19, 2069089, just conveniently there. Okay, moving on to, okay, so this is kind of hard because I stuck my nail in this bag too. All right, let's get some of this stuff out. Okay, this one, that's my mail. That's my mail. That's my mail. Okay. This is a Dear Lizzie. This is wood veneer numbers. It's $1.99, 2057314. I liked that. Hopefully I won't be left with a bunch of letters I didn't need. I really desperately wanted to find the open book ephemera, the flowers. I didn't find it, but I did find these tags, so I'm super happy. 2068460. They had two of them there. I just restrained myself and only bought the one. $2.49, and it has these beautiful tags. I did buy these Sizzix Tim Holtz Thinlits. They're like travel words. You get 27 dies for $8.99. 2070560. I liked those. And then so I do plan on doing, hopefully if all goes well, doing a video on how I use some of the things that I got. And this is one of the things that I want to be able to, if I can't demo it for you guys, at least tell you what I think about it, because I have to figure out how it works. This is a curvy cutter bow maker, $3.19. It's 2069068. I have no idea how it works. It does not look as easy as like your dies would. But this makes it sort of a different style bow that maybe you would use more for packaging, like presents and things. I don't really know. So I'm going to have to play with that one, but that I thought was kind of a cool find. Okay, so moving on. I might have to move some things because this is going to get kind of in the way. I did get you guys out of the way, make you guys a little flatter because it's going to be a little crazy. What I've got next, I found the Maggie Holmes 12 by 12 Gather. So there's that. I just love these ballerinas. Very cute. I mean, I tend to not use this for projects I keep. I tend to use this more for projects that I make to go out to people. If that makes sense to anyone? That's kind of what I do. All right, moving on to Got some crate paper stuff. So I got this Wild at Heart. These are some gold tropical stickers. 2079219, $1.99. The Good Vibes, the ephemera, which it had eluded me for so long, and then it was just there. 2068466, it's $1.99. I just hold this paper that I got in my Your Scrapbook Stash liquidation haul. But anyway, I don't think I got the puffy stickers, so I'm super excited to have found these for $1.99. 2078678, double-sided. It's really cute. So I did get those. I feel like I have this. I don't know if I have this or not. But it goes with a creative diary. It's $6.99, 2079146. And it just has tons of pieces, some colored, some not, that you could use, however you want. There's that. And then I got this, which I was excited to see. I wish they had some of the other ones. This is the border stamp and the stencil. So this is a good find for $4.99. 2079142. I thought that was a good find. I'm always looking for hearts, but they didn't have them. I found this Here and There line. These little tassels. 2079206. It was $1.99. And I did find some other things I'm excited about. So I found the Wild Child. I feel like I do have these though, probably $2.19, 2089095. Kind of that retro feel, but really, really cute. I got these pink paisley wood veneer frames. Really love these frames because you can use these in a lot of different ways. 2079232, $1.99. That's a good deal for these frames. So I like that. I did buy this ephemera. They had a lot of them. This is the Happiness is Homemade. Don't have a lot of things that I think I have this paper collection. But this is 2051806. They had a couple different types of bows by We Are Memory Keepers. I only bought these ones because these were pleather, which I thought was kind of fun that they're made out of this faux leather. And they were $1.99, 2089149. Thought that was just something different. I did find some dies. They had quite a few, but they didn't have all the ones I wanted, but I only bought the ones that I thought I could use. So I got this hearts. I have so many hearts, but I don't know if anyone finds this to be true or just me, but all the hearts I have are not necessarily the right size or shape heart that I need. So I'm always on the lookout for hearts because the perfect heart just eludes me. 2069053. It's $3.99, and you get all these fun different hearts. I don't know how the embossing one works, though. Kind of strange. But anyway, that was cool. I got the wedding cake, which I think is beautiful. 2069070, $3.19. And I like that because I don't have a lot of wedding stuff. So this one was kind of funky and fun. It's a mustache and lips die, I guess. 2069083, $3.19. So you can make your own goofy people. I don't know, just kind of silly, but anyway, I thought it was fun. That's why I got it. 2069055. For some reason, this one is $3.99. I thought this one was really cute. So I don't have anything like this as well. So that's why I went and got that one. And then last of all, I don't know. I got two paper pads. I got this one right here, the Bloom. And again, I mostly use these for Happy Mail. I make Happy Mail out of this because a lot of people like Maggie Holmes. So when I send out Maggie to Happy Mail to people that I know like Maggie Holmes, then this is what I use. So 2068379, it's $2.99. And you actually can buy this at Joann's. They have this at Joann's, so you can use a coupon and buy it there. But because I'm there, I bought it. Here and there, it's $2.99, 2079, 200. I just really love the little mopeds, I guess. This one has some fun different papers, but I love the little mopeds. So anyway, that is my Tuesday morning haul. It's pretty big, but nothing really that makes me go woohoo, except I was excited to see the dies, and I was excited for that Tim Holtz, and excited for the Maggie Holmes open book. The open book, I'm looking for stuff for that. I ended up buying some stuff, but that's it. So thank you anyway for watching. This is Cindy of Create the Heart.